Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. The Prime Minister stated that India has consistently demonstrated that vibrancy and spirit of its democratic traditions. Stop. Citing the recent Bihar elections, he applauded the record voter turnout as a powerful affirmation of the nation's democratic strength. Stop. He also highlighted the growing participation of women voters as a remarkable and encouraging trend that brings new hope and new confidence to the democratic process. Stop. He noted that as India's democratic institutions grow stronger, the world is closely observing how this democratic framework is also reinforcing the nation's economic capabilities. Stop. India has proven that democracy can deliver, the Prime Minister affirmed. Stop. The pace at which India's economic conditions are reaching new heights inspires confidence and gives us strength as we move towards the goal of a developed India, Shri Modi underscored. Stop. The Prime Minister urged all political parties to center the session on national interest, constructive debate, and policy-driven outcomes. Stop. He emphasized that Parliament must remain focused on what it envisions for the nation and what it is committed to delivering. Stop. Calling upon the opposition to fulfill its democratic responsibility, the Prime Minister encouraged them to raise meaningful and substantive issues. Stop. He cautioned parties not to allow frustration over electoral defeats to overshadow parliamentary proceedings. Stop. Underscoring that the session should not display arrogance arising from electoral victories, Shri Modi said, the winter session must reflect balance, responsibility, and the dignity expected from public representatives. Stop. Para. The Prime Minister highlighted the importance of informed debate, urging members to improve what is working well and offer constructive, accurate critique where needed, so that citizens are better informed. Stop. This work is demanding, but it is essential for the nation, he noted. Stop. Expressing concern for first time and younger MPs, he said many across party lines feel they are not receiving adequate opportunities to represent their constituencies or contribute to national development discussions. Stop. He urged all parties to ensure these MPs are given the platform they deserve. Stop. Dictation ends.